Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of another Samsung Galaxy device. So let's watch.
And friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, as the Android 10 and One UI 2.0 rollout for Galaxy smartphones continues, Samsung has released a major update for its another mid-range device. This time, a Galaxy J series smartphone is getting this update, which is Galaxy J6 from 2018. The update is currently rolling out in Panama. And friends, if you are enjoying the video, then please subscribe my channel for more tech videos of this type. Come to the topic. Friends, Galaxy J6 is one of the best-selling and popular device of Samsung in mid-range series from 2018. Like the Galaxy A50 in 2019. The phone was launched with Android Oreo and now getting its second major OS update. The update comes with March 2020 security patch. After updating to One UI 2, we will got lots of new features like built-in screen recorder, new dark mode and much more. You can download the update through FOTA by going to software update menu in settings. Otherwise, you can also update your phone by flashing the Android 10 firmware. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy J6. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Peace out.